When it comes to enhancing the look and feel of your Smithtown home, few upgrades have as much impact as your windows. They are not only functional, providing natural light and ventilation, but also play a vital role in defining your home's exterior charm. Choosing the right window styles can instantly boost curb appeal, add character, and even increase your property value. If you're considering a window replacement, here are some of the best window styles for Smithtown residences that balance beauty, performance, and long-term value. Double-hung windows. Classic and versatile double-hung windows are one of the most popular styles for Smithtown homes, and for good reason. Timeless design. Their balanced proportions work well with traditional colonial, Cape Cod, and modern styles alike. Easy operation. Both sashes open, making them practical for ventilation. Customizable. Available in a variety of finishes, frame materials, and grid patterns to match your home's personality. This style offers a clean, classic look that never goes out of style, making it a safe and attractive choice for boosting curb appeal. Bay and bow windows. Adding dimension and elegance for homeowners looking to make a statement, bay or bow windows are ideal. Architectural interest. These windows project outward, creating a unique focal point on your home's exterior. Natural light. Their wide design brings in more sunlight, brightening interiors. Expanded views. Perfect for showcasing Smithtown's beautiful landscapes and neighborhoods. Bay and bow windows add a sense of luxury and spaciousness, making your home stand out from the rest on your street. Casement windows. Sleek and contemporary casement windows, which open outward with a crank, offer a modern look while remaining highly functional. Streamlined appearance. Their large panes of uninterrupted glass give a sleek, contemporary feel. Excellent ventilation. They catch side breezes, helping cool your home naturally. Energy efficiency. Their tight seals improve insulation and reduce drafts. If your Smithtown residence leans toward modern or transitional architecture, casement windows can give it the updated, polished look you're after. Picture windows. Framing beautiful views for homeowners who value light and scenery, picture windows are a stunning choice. Unobstructed glass. They provide wide, open views of your yard, garden, or neighborhood. Architectural balance. Often paired with smaller operable windows for both style and airflow. Energy performance. Fixed designs reduce air leakage, improving efficiency. Picture windows enhance your home's curb appeal by adding a bold, elegant statement that draws the eye. Awning windows. Subtle and stylish. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, creating a unique aesthetic that complements many Smithtown homes. Distinctive design. Their compact look works well above doors or alongside larger windows. Practical function. Can remain open for ventilation even during light rain. Flexible placement. Ideal for bathrooms, basements, or high on walls for privacy. Adding awning windows in strategic places can bring a modern yet subtle touch to your home's overall appearance. Custom window options. Personalizing your Smithtown home. For homeowners who want to highlight their property's unique architecture, custom window designs are an excellent option. Shaped windows. Arched, circular, or geometric designs create striking focal points. Color and finish choices. From classic white frames to bold black or wood look finishes, customization boosts personality. Coordinated upgrades. Matching styles across your home's facade ties the look together for maximum curb appeal. Custom windows allow you to tailor your home's appearance, ensuring it stands out while reflecting your personal taste. Final thoughts. Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance the curb appeal of your Smithtown residence. From the timeless charm of double-hung windows to the bold statement of bay or bow designs, each style offers unique advantages in beauty, performance, and functionality. With professional installation and the right choices tailored to your home's architecture, Your new windows will not only elevate your exterior look but also improve comfort, energy efficiency, and property value. If you're ready to transform your Smithtown home, consider which of these window styles best aligns with your goals. With the right investment, your windows will be more than just functional, they'll be a defining feature of your home's beauty.